Fine, this is the problem number 12. Fine, here. What percent is 200 grams of a 4.5 kg? Right, let us start working on this. We know that 1 kg is equal to how much? 1000 grams. Right, we need to find the percent of 200 grams in 4.5 kg. Right, so that's what 4.5 kg will become how much? 4500 grams. Now we need to find the 200 grams, the percentage of 200 grams in this 4500. For that, what you can do is, it is 200 that divided by 4500 into 100. Right, now simplify it. 2 zeros, 2 0 I'll cancel. Right, 5 9s are 5 40. So this will become 40 by 9. This is percentage, 40 by 9 percentage. If you want to keep it as a mixed fraction, right, mixed fraction, then you can do like that. It is 40 by 9, 9 4s are 36, 4 remainder. You know how to place that QRD, right? Q is what? Quotient. Quotient is just 4. So then remainder, this is remainder, right? Remainder is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 percentage. This is the answer.